Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Playground AI image to image. So first, open your browser, then go to Playground AI. Once you're here, you will first have to create an account. Once you're done with that part, you will have to click on this create button and then change the image dimensions if you want to. You should change also the numbers of samples on how many you want, and the sampler we'll be using is the Euler A. There's no need to change anything else in here, so the next step is to upload the image which you want the most resemblance to. Like I have this image here. So once done, you will have to write a prompt like how you want the photo to be. And for that purpose, I use a website called Lexicon Art. Now search for an image you want to. So I want a woman portrait, and then choose the image you want and then copy the prompt. So once copied, you go back and then paste this prompt here. Click on generate, and now once the images have been generated, you can download one of these pictures that you like by just right clicking on that picture and then download. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.